Are you ready for your first turn today?
Yes, sir. I've waited and waited. Now we're going to know whether she goes hard or not. We're going to have fun.
All right, here we go.
Hello, everyone. It's Thursday, my Friday, thank goodness. Beautiful day. I looked at temperature at one point today and it said 87. And I'm just telling you, it feels nice. Yes, it's hot and I was sweating, but I just want you to know I'm not complaining. It was nice. Gonna be nice here in just a minute after I get done with this little briefing. I'm gonna open them doors, let the air come in here, and get the afternoon started. Go ahead and get my weekend ready. Got a stiff neck, but hey, I'm still able to move my neck. I went to the chiropractor the other day and they grabbed my neck, and when they popped it, it was like a new light. I think I need to go see him again. But anyway, I'm going to go over what I got planned this afternoon, and I don't, well, by the time you watch this, I may have something for a video, I don't know, but I'm having to put together some videos instead of what we normally do. So I need to go through and put together some. But anyway, here on this just a silly little YouTube channel, we got 128 days Fun Run Cruisers telling the Dragon trip, and 37 days of Fun Run Cruisers drive in. Daryl's putting that on Sydney, Ohio at the fairgrounds. And I was watching the video, you know, of course, I always watch my videos that I put out. And I want to make a correction on something I said on my video when I was talking about when I had the 5 things I was wanting to do this year. I was kind of in my mind had this, the 37 and the 128, these two as in one, and I don't know why I kept doing that in my head. But these two here are not two that we want to do. I mean, that we're thinking about doing or whatever. These are two that we want to do and we're going to do. I had not put the sorry. I had not put the 128 days to Fun Run Cruiser Tales of the Dragon because of 2 reasons. One, for some reason in my head, I kept putting these two together, and I kept getting it confused in my head, even though every single day I say this, and I say the drive-in in Sydney, Ohio at the fairgrounds. I say it every day. And I don't know why I was thinking of the cruise, telling the Dragon trip. I don't know why I did that, but there was, we're going to these two for sure. I don't care if I've got to refinance my house. We're going to these two. Short of health or anything, we're going to these two. But I wasn't trying to knock either one of these when I was talking about the 5 things, because I had 3 events. Cletus I want to go to, the cruise in, and I was saying No Name Nationals. And I had left this one out and I wasn't meaning to, so these are going to go, and this one here was also another thing that when we go to this one, we will literally come back from this one and turn right around and go right back to No Name Nationals if we were going to go to No Name Nationals. There would only be a couple days. Pretty much we wouldn't even unload them. Well, yeah, we would have, because we're taking different vehicles, but we'd probably have left everything packed that we were packed to go. But anyway, So that's what I had kind of confused myself, and hope I wasn't leaving anybody out or anything like that, because what we got going on with these two is awesome. We keep talking about it amongst all of us, and I hate that we're not closer, but at the same time, it might make it even better, because I do want to get the ball rolling, and I do want to make it so we go to different places. You okay there, buddy? So we go to different places and meet up, and I'd like to go quarterly, even if it's at a racetrack or an event or something like that. I'm hoping that we all end up getting some type of burnout cars, and we start meeting at the events. That's kind of like what I'd like to see, but we'll see. But as far as what I got going on today, what I plan on trying to do, I'm going to check on that frying pan. I've not thought much about it till I got here to make this, and I figure I better check on it because Chester will be asking about it. I've got to hook up the trailer. That means I got to move one trailer and hook up to the other one and load the tractor. So I can take the tractor home and get the bush hog, so I can bush hog the pasture for Chester tomorrow. Make the video and watch the premiere. I'll probably watch the premiere and then I'll make the video, because tomorrow, tomorrow is Friday and I don't have to work. So my intentions on tomorrow is won't have an alarm set, and when I wake up, well, I may set the alarm. It just won't be at 4:50 like my normal one. I'll probably leave the 10 to 7. I normally get up at about 10. Have an alarm set up at 10 to 7 to go to work. But I'll probably leave that one to make sure I'm up by then, if I'm not already up. But I'll get up and I'll probably mow at the house and load the tractor, or unload the tractor, load the bush hog and everything. And I'm gonna take the boom truck with me. I'm gonna take the boom pole with me. I might grab a couple of those motors and put them on the trailer as I'm hauling the bush hog back. We'll see. But and then I will mow, and I may shoot up Randy's and mow right quick, and then I'll come back and get the tractor and everything, come here and bush hog. So it's gonna be an eventful day tomorrow. We'll see. But that's what I plan on doing tonight and this afternoon, trying to get everything going, and we'll see how it goes. I've got 1,440 minutes in every day. Don't forget that. Put your best foot forward. And remember, you can't make everybody happy, but you surely can piss them off. So don't worry about them, worry about you. Do the best you can. Think positive, and keep it silly, and make the best out of every situation you got, because you're not promised the next minute. Thank you. Hello everyone. It's getting dark. It's about to storm. I just got a text that I just got a text I may have to work in the morning, so all that planning I was doing probably just went out the window. But we're under a storm watch, and if it storms bad, I may have to run in front of the trains in the morning, so but we'll see. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and do this while I work on video and watch the premiere. I didn't film anything, so I'll probably stick something in here. I'll come up with some other footage that we hadn't used or something, and I'll get us a video going. But here on this little YouTube channel, got 128 days fun run cruisers telling the dragon trip. 37 days fun run cruisers drive in Sydney, Ohio. Daryl's putting that on, and it is at the fairgrounds. I looked out there. I didn't see it, but I haven't asked Randy what's what's the story on the frying pan. I do need to ask him that, but anyway, I did hook up the trailer. I had to move one trailer over and move the other trailer out, and then I hooked up the trailer, and then I loaded the tractor, tied it down, got everything ready. So I was just fixing to go in there and start making the video and watch Daryl's premiere. So, and that's probably going to be the end of me for, because it'll take me a little while. I got an idea what I'm going to do for the video weekend. Like I said, I hope the storm passes. I can hear it, but I hope it passes and it's not too bad, because I really don't want to go in and run in front of the train, but I will. That's part of my job. I don't want to sell those minutes. Anyway, I got 1,440 minutes. Y'all got 1,440 minutes. Make the best out of them, and stay positive. Do the best you can, and make yourself happy, because nobody else is going to. Nobody's going to. You can't wait for somebody else to make them. You got to do it. Make yourself happy. Put your best foot forward, and if you ain't on your projects, go get on them. And remember, keep it civil. Thank you.